for the first time in 9 years, in MS399 began with a schedule for teachers and individualized schedule for students. On September 2nd, when we began school, everybody got a program. Students came in, we got the 6th grade house in the auditorium, the 8th grade in the cafeteria, 7th graders in the gym, and every student that was registered at that time received the program.
Also, if I understand what you're saying correctly, and correct me if I'm wrong, students actually started their learning earlier because they were with the correct teacher in the correct period from September rather than several weeks later.
Absolutely. That was the way I would like to convey that, and you make it very clear. Exactly, because if you begin having programmatic changes and it's still October, and you're looking at changing kids and changing teachers, obviously learning, you have to begin practically ground zero. I always see education as a living organism, always changing and adapting. So then having that level of support made the difference in making this, the program work. That way, when we began, in August 27, every teacher had their program and the kids that they will be teaching. So they were able to organize that component.
Well, I remember when we first started working together, we discussed a lot of different ideas until we were able to together create a design that would do the new things you want, that would move away from students traveling all day together to students having an individual program, and also for students being able to be in accelerated classes based upon what their needs were rather than based upon what homeroom they happen to be in.